But now, apparently, there is a new way of doing all this, and here it is. It's the ENV, or the ENV.
Wow!
It's, an electric motorbike.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
This electric motorcycle has its own onboard electricity generating station in the form of a hydrogen fuel cell in here. And in very, very basic terms, it mixes the fuel on board the bike,
Doritos,
with oxygen, which is in the atmosphere, in the fuel cell to make electricity on demand for the electric motor down there, and it drives the wheel in the conventional manner. I'm going to take this for a spin, but first, I need some
Clans members. Because motorcyclists are pack animals and require a leader, electric or not. Quick scopers.
Start your engines.
While they're making lots of noise, I'm not even sure mine's going.
It makes less noise than the wind.
This is biking, but not as we know it. For a start, there's no reassuring throb between my legs. With my mates well ahead.
You're too slow!
2 wheels, the open road, but only 8 horsepower.
A few moments later.